Assalamu alaikum, Dostoni Aziz. I'm Bridjett Walker, the Deputy Chief of Mission at the U.S. Embassy in Dushanbe. February is a very special month for us at the Embassy because it is Black History Month, a time to honor and reflect on the contributions and rich heritage of African Americans in the United States. The United States is made up of diverse communities who came to our country under vastly different circumstances, but have built our country together. The emancipation of African Americans from slavery outlawed this heinous practice. The Civil Rights Movement advanced the Founding Fathers' words that everyone is created equal and should have equal rights. And it held the concept of democracy accountable to create a more just world. These principles have set an example for other nations. I am proud of the African Americans, including my ancestors, who helped build our nation, fought in wars in the name of freedom and justice, advanced science, and shaped our culture to create uniquely American literature, art, music, and more. The United States' strength comes from our diversity, the challenges we have overcome together, and our commitment to building a more perfect union. Please join me in celebrating Black History Month.